Right now, we only built one very simple React component. This video, we will discuss how to architect the React application with a real example. Google search ufodata.org website. This WordPress site is built with a PHP and MySQL database. We will create a React skeleton site based on this one. The best practice is to break down the layout into smaller components. Let's analyze this website layout. It has 3 sections. Top, navigation menu. Middle, main content section. Bottom, footer section. We divide the layout into 3 main components. Those 3 components may contain more subcomponents. We will create 3 skeleton components as placeholder. Create a file named main-content.jsx in the component folder. Create a file named footer.jsx in the component folder. Open app.js file to import the new component. Save the file. Check in browser. Next video, we will start to build the layout.